to Shiba Fun Facts. I'm Mark. And as always, my little disclaimer here: this is not financial advice. This is for educational and information purpose only. As always, do your own research and never invest more than you can afford to lose. That's my little rule of thumb. And in today, I'm going to talk a little bit about Selloff because we have seen here lately that the Shiba Inu had dropped dramatically, or the price have dropped dramatically for Shiba Inu. And we've seen media like Motley Fool trying to create a lot of FUD and that the interest around Shiba Inu is fading. Don't listen to that FUD. Don't pay attention to Motley Fool and what they are saying, because this is and there's a reason behind that. First of all crypto is extremely volatile, and as a meme coin, Shiba Inu is even more volatile, and Shiba Inu is going to fluctuate rapidly based on market conditions. And that's what's happening in the last couple of days, that the market has turned red itself, witnessing a massive sell-off in the broader market. It's like Bitcoin fell 5% below $28,500. Ethereum prices fell over 7% in a 24-hour period. And what caused this or one of the main reasons for this that was the Ethereum Foundation and Ethereum created Vitalik Buterin sold off 15,000 ETH, which triggered the market sell-off. It was like last time he did this, the major Ethereum sell-off, the ETH price fell 40% over a 2 month period. And of course, when Ethereum is falling this much, it's going to impact the crypto market. So it is, that's why it's so important that you do your own research and look at the bigger picture. Don't let be driven by FUD or your emotions. That is so important. It's like you stay in the long run, hold, trust the process, follow the Shib Army, listen to what the people that is understanding the system and have been in this process for a while, and follow the trends, what they are saying. I hope you take this to your heart. If you have any questions, any comments, anything else you want me to cover, don't hesitate to let me know. And I appreciate your support, so please like the video and subscribe to my channel for more information. But as always, do your own research and come back here for more information.